Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to reduce rosacea with clay and lemon. The small blood vessels in the face dilate and become apparent as small red or purplish lines, cleverly called telangiectasias. People with light eyes and fair skin are more sensitive to it, but anything that dilates the vessels promotes rosacea. The alcohol, exposure to heat, sun, tanning lamps, etc. Cortisone, which weakens the skin. Skin diseases that affect collagen and acne. Rosacea. Clay is renowned for skin benefits. The clay water could, in particular, attenuate, more or less strongly, the marks of rosacea. For that you need clay, water and 1 lemon. Then put powdered clay in a container, cover with spring or filtered water, do not stir and let stand 1 hour before use. Finally, using a clean piece of cotton, apply a little clay water to the areas treated. Then rub them with the white skins of an organic lemon. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. In the next video, I will talk about how to relieve aches with chamomile. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.